Yo guys, let's see what's for lunch today. Oh, nice. Mom packed a great lunch. Steam Siege, Breakthrough, Phantom Forces, my favorite. Let's do it. Thank you. Let's start off Breakthrough. I want to get Team Rockets.
I think I say supply.
Oh, that is.
Now there's a Bridget Trainer, and what's his name? Giovanni Scheme. Go for that Mega Mewtwo. X full art.
Here's the code, guys. Speed.
You can do whatever.
Goldeen. Yeah, guys. I don't know what to say. I don't want to read off the cards. But I don't even know what to say to you guys. Thanks for all your support. Here's the rare. It's a non-hollow. Priscilla. Priscilla. To the next pack. Here's the reverse. Oh yeah, we're gonna probably do a giveaway. Code card giveaway. I don't even know. What do you guys think is a fair subscriber rate? To give 100 code card giveaway to 3 people. Comment in the comment section below. Open a Steam Siege. I was thinking 1,000 subscribers because that's a lot of code cards. Might go 1,000. Damn. Dang. This pack's hard to open. I have a good feeling about it.
Yeah.
I have a good feeling about this pack, guys.
Yes. White. I think Steam Siege has the code card trick.
I think since there's repackaged, they gave some good cards to compensate for that Gengar. Here, let's do the code just to build some.
Put those in front.
Yeah, let's just do that. Sorry, guys. Just want to be careful with these things. So 2 cards left. So this should be the reverse. It's a Fletchling. The rare. Oh, hollow. Klinklang. Dang, I've never seen that card though. It's alright.
I never knew this was a hollow.
Yeah, me neither. It's a new card. Phantom Force is gonna make up for it though, watch. We pull the Mega Gengar full art. If I do that, guys, just everyone should just subscribe to me. Can I get a hashtag Mystic Milk? Last pack of luck. Can I just say when we do our pack battle? Oh yeah, we're having a pack battle league soon. We're getting in a pack battle league battle, and we're gonna battle Party Boy. I'll leave his full name in the video and in the comment, or in the description. And then with I'm in a league. We'll talk more about that later. I'll just get to it. Sorry, guys. Golbat, Leopard, Sliggoo, Goomy, Evolution, Krabby, Bunnelby, Puccina, Murkrow, Reverse Levany. That's a rare. It's cool. Levany in the rare. Non-hollow. Dang, they didn't make up for it. That's some bull butter, guys. Got us with that one.
Hopefully these evolutions make up for it.
Yeah, the evolutions probably will make up for it. Sorry, guys. Here's this. This is cool. Yeah, that's probably the coolest set of keys you'll ever see. Before I can unlock your front door. No, that's a cool all though. Alright guys, stay tuned for more stuff. Like, we'll just put out random videos that you guys want. Trust me, you guys will want it. You want it, you got it.